Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile is still unsure if he will support the ratification of the reconciled version of the sin tax bill. According to Enrile, he is not protecting any cigarette company. What he has in mind is the welfare of tobacco farmers and employees of cigarette firms in northern Luzon adversely affected by the proposed law. Enrile added that there is no certainty that cigarette-related deaths will decline with the passage of such law due to the possible entry of smuggled cigarettes into the country.
Paano kami magiging pabor sa cigarette companies? Ang pinoproteksyonan natin dito, may mga nagtatrabaho sa mga kumpanya na gumagawa ng anumang produkto sa Pilipinas. Pangalawa, yung mga kababayan natin na nagsusupply ng raw material dyan sa mga kumpanya na yan, maging tabako, mais, bigas, baboy, manok, o ano man.